Normally, we use the network days function to calculate the number of work days between start date and end date, excluding weekends and holidays. Network days automatically excludes weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and can optionally exclude a list of holidays supplied as dates. The one drawback of using the network days is that it defaults to excluding Saturday and Sunday. But weekends may vary based on region. They might be Sunday and Monday or just Sunday, etc. Excel's NETWORKDAYS.INTL function calculates the number of weekdays between two dates, but lets you specify which days should be counted as weekend days. The syntax is start date and end date, the dates between which workdays are calculated. In addition to the required start and end date, this function has an optional third argument, a weekend code. Weekend, days in a week which are not working days. For example, let's calculate the number of work days between Jan 15th and Jan 31st with different weekend days. If you don't enter any weekend code, the default Saturday and Sunday are taken as weekend days. As you enter the function, Excel displays a menu as soon as you go into the third argument. Select the appropriate weekend code. For Sunday and Monday, it is 2. For only Sunday, it is 11. Weekend code can also be entered as a string value. String values are 7 characters long, and each character in the string represents a day of the week, starting with Monday. 1 represents a non-working day and 0 represents a work day. Only the characters 1 and 0 are permitted in the string. For example, all zeros would result in no weekend and will count all the days. 5 zeros, 1 1 would result in a weekend, that is Saturday and Sunday. 5 zeros and 1 would result in a weekend, that is Sunday and Monday. Like in network days, you can exclude a custom list of holidays. For example, enter holidays in A10 to A12. Supply the range as the fourth argument. The holidays will also be excluded from the workdays. To download the example Excel file used in this video, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.